Do we mix that with the eggs now?
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah, and then I'll stir it.
See, there's mushrooms and Swiss chard and bell peppers and
What's
onions.
this?
Can you scrape it with your fingers?
If it don't have onions. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
It hasn't.
Just a little bit. You'll be okay. Look how pretty it is. Isn't that pretty?
Whoa.
And mix it up real good, and then we'll pour it right here in this pie shell. There you go.
Whoa. Look at that. Like this much?
Spread it all over.
Mine?
Yeah, get some around the outside.
I like mine cheesy.
It looks good. We'll put this in the oven and then we'll go take a walk out to the garden. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. James's truck is finally fixed again, and he went and got it last night. He didn't get back in from picking up his truck till 11:30 because then he had to go pick up a trailer like an hour from there, go get fuel, park it, get his car, come home, get ready for bed. So left out at 5 this morning. I don't know if he'll be in or not tonight or even this week at all, but he's back at work. Penny is cooking a quiche, right, Penny? You got breakfast in the oven? Can you say hi?
Hi, whoever you are.
See that dragonfly?
I like butterflies. Look at two yellows.
Look at your hair. Can you see your hair? Do you like it like that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check out the garden. And I hear Maddie. Here's Maddie. You're coming? And there goes Maddie. So today I'm working on making the kids' science unit studies for the new school year, and probably not a whole lot else. I still need to take out something for dinner. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do Cajun pork chops tonight and like potato wedges. Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna look at the garden, see if there's anything ready to pick, and go take out pork chops to thaw, and then I'm gonna work on some science unit studies, and I'll show you that later, how I'm gonna do that different this year. Penny's arguing with a kitten, and that's gonna be about it today. Sneaky little guy. You want to show me Tiger?
What?
Show me Tigger. Tigger's our new baby, right, Penny? They got him from their children's church teacher, Miss Chloe, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
He just ran out of the bonfire into the town.
And Penny got a haircut too, huh, Penny?
Uh-huh.
What are you finding? Hey, let's pick bigger ones than that. Let's save the little ones. If you look down towards the bottom, hey, Penny, right here. Penny.
Yeah?
Penny, right here, I see a big green bean.
Where were you?
This way. This way. This way. Penny, nope, this way.
What are you even talking about?
Right there, there's a big green bean. Nope, it's a green one. Do you see it in there? Right there. Right there. Right in front of you. You don't see it?
Oh, right here?
No, but I don't see that one, so I don't know if that one's big.
Oh, that's big.
What about this one hanging right here in front of you?
Come on.
Sneaky, sneaky. Yep. Oh, that one's dying. All right, Mama's gonna walk. Those poor corn plants. I guess we're gonna have to pull them because they aren't living. CJ found a couple on these the other day. Look at that. Just a minute, Maddie. Just a minute, baby. Mama's looking for cucumbers because I think I might bake pickles today if I have time. Oh, Penny, you want to come pick this cucumber? I'll let you pick it. All right. Okay, right here, baby. Twist it.
It's a pickle.
It will be a pickle.
It is a pickle.
Not yet, not until you pickle it. Right now it's just a cucumber.
Why is a cucumber just like a pickle?
It's a pickled cucumber.
Got it!
Look at all them squash. I hear her. There's some babies. Alright. Let's see. Did you?
I found the biggest one yet.
Oh, did you?
Yes?
I'll wait and see it.
Wait till I see it.
I will. That one is pretty good. I can see it, kinda. Are you trying to swing with a kitty? I bet he doesn't. That is a good one. See any more hiding from you?
Oh, I did find one. Oh, good enough.
I see a zucchini, and it's ready to pick. It's pretty good sized. See what I can see down here. Over here on this side is one.
I'm coming.
I'll leave it for you. I know you like to pick.
Here, Mom.
We should have brought your basket.
Crap, that's big.
Are you supposed to say that?
No. What do I do? Oh, do that?
Well, that's not what you do. You twist it. But
I did.
I guess you got it off. I see some babies. I don't see any big ones right now. There's another one right there. There's another. Not ready yet. Anyway. How's it going over there, Penny? Let me see what you got. Arms full, huh?
Yep. Biggest to last. The fence is over there.
The fence for the cow?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Are you ready for a cow?
Yeah.
Me too. What kind of cow you want?
I want to, so I could butcher it.
Yeah.
Well, I want to get a house because that's how you can make houses out of anything. And Mika said you can't. But that's
We're not eating a horse. You don't listen to your daddy. Let's go look at tomatoes.
Tomatoes look big.
Yeah. And I got to put something out here on top of
I'm going to go get
all the...
basket, guys.
Okay. We need to put something on this broccoli and stuff because some type of bug is eating them. Look at my plants. They're just getting destroyed. Let's see if I can... There's something on them. Something black. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Man. I've been trying to do this all natural, but I might have to get something stronger. There's my little heads of cabbage.
Mom, I got some babies.
And they're getting eaten.
Look, Mom, I got some babies. Look,
You silly. You imagining.
that's cute.
You're imagining. That's okay. Oh, I see a flower on one of my peppers.
Have a baby
We're going to grow peppers soon.
in my tummy.
You have a baby in your tummy.
Oh, I see you. Look, see you. Look, Grappy.
I see tomatoes right here. See if I can get my camera where I can show you. All right, we are going to get inside. You want an egg for breakfast? We're going to get inside, see if our quiche is ready. You never have eggs? We ate 3 eggs yesterday. We are going to go see if our quiche is getting close to done. Penny did, I think, 8 or 9 eggs, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, Swiss chard, all in there, and it's baking, and we're just going to have that with some blackberries this morning. Okay, so these are yesterday's veggies from like after dinner that we picked, and then there's some onions, zucchini, yellow squash, cucumbers, snap peas, and some green beans I picked this morning. We're going to get all these put in where their bowls where they belong. I'm getting ready to make another batch of pickles because we are getting so many cucumbers. I'm making a batch about every other day. And then the zucchini, I'm probably going to shred and freeze for zucchini bread because we have been eating tons of squash and trying to keep up with it. The yellow squash, I'll probably do the same. Okay, anyways, for breakfast, the kids decided instead of just blackberries, they wanted blackberry jam on toast with their quiche. So that is what I'm doing right now. We don't own a toaster. We used to, and we never used it, so I gave it away. And on the rare occasions we do toast, we just toast it on a flat pan like this, and then, you know, butter it or put jelly or jam on it, and we're good to go. So anyways, here's how the quiche turned out. And the kids ate it all, and I never got any, but that's okay. They really enjoyed it. Now I'm going to go ahead and prep dinner. I've got some potatoes washed and kind of cubed up. I'm just browning them in the pan just for fun, to just kind of put those marks on the potatoes, like grill marks. And then I have these super expensive pork chops. I'm going to also brown those. And I'm just going to put them in the slow cooker with the potatoes with this Cajun rub and marinade on them. Future me doing this voiceover will let you know right now I'm not buying this ever again. It was way spicier than I expected. It doesn't really say what's in it. It just sounded good. It was so spicy. I'll show you later what I ended up having to do. But I'm finishing browning up these potatoes. I've got them in the slow cooker. Now I'm going to brown my pork, get it all seasoned in the slow cooker, and then let it cook. So that's what we're going to do now. And then later we'll discuss what I ended up doing to try to fix this disaster. Okay, so this is how I'm setting up unit studies this year. I'm using these little folders. This has like a mini book stapled on this side. As I find other things, I may add them as well. And then on the other side, I've just got different worksheets, different things I want the kids to learn from the books and things we're going to read. And I'm just adding them all on this side so that they can just flip up through the pages, work through it. And then in my unit study planner, I have a rolling list of all the books, movies, different things on YouTube or different websites we're going to check out, experiments we're going to do, so that I can give them these folders on Monday. They can work through them until Friday, and then if we're going to do an experiment, we'll do it on Friday or, something like that. I've been working on those a while. It is now 1:30 and I've decided to eat some leftover taco salad, and this is the rolling mess I have going on. I'm just working my afternoon away and trying to get through some of this, trying to get things set up and ready to go for the new school year. So it has rained all afternoon. The kids have been watching the Emoji Movie, and now the rain has finally stopped, and I'm going to get dinner going. The kids are going to go play outside for a few, and then we'll have dinner very soon. I'm just going to cook some zucchini and yellow squash in some butter. I'm going to add a ranch seasoning packet, and that's it. Just let it saute until it's done, and we'll have dinner, and that'll be it. I would love and appreciate if you would share with me how you cook squash for your family, because I didn't eat a lot of squash growing up. I either saute it in butter and garlic or butter and a ranch seasoning packet. I've never fried squash. I should try frying squash for the kids. I bet they'd like that too. But they are really loving the squash, but we have so much of it that I really need new ideas for it. Anyways, I'm just going to get this sauteing, and the kids just came in and they told me that I need to come see the garden urgently, so I'm going to shut this down and go check on what's going on. And while I'm headed out, I'm also going to take some veggie scraps and some carrots I chopped up and give them to the bunnies.
Yay! I'll be trying on.
Is CJ getting a shovel? Is CJ getting the shovel? So the kids came and told me that the garden was a disaster, and I ran out there, checked it out, and then came back in. I just turned my squash all the way down to low, and now we're going to go try to save some of the corn.
Whoa.
Look
Look.
at that hurricane.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's got a heart on it.
Oh. Okay, so we got the corn prop back up. I just came in, I pulled out the potatoes and the pork chops. I tasted a pork chop and they are ridiculously spicy. My squash is done. I'm just letting it simmer now on low, and I'm gonna try to do something to save my potatoes and pork chops because they're so spicy. So I'm thinking I'll just I'm making some shells and cheese. That's what's going on there. Anyways, with the pork chops, I put this big block of cream cheese in here, and I turned it up a little bit temp-wise, and I'm just going to kind of mix and chop the cream cheese around in the broth, get it melted, and then I'm going to put the pork chops and the potatoes back in there for, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. Just kind of let them get some of the cream cheese on them, and I think that'll help to bring down the temp a little bit, and the kids will like them because, I mean, CJ will probably eat these and I'll eat them, but they're too spicy for everybody else. And I don't want to waste them because they were expensive. Like, meat's really expensive right now. So I'm, like I said, just gonna melt this cream cheese and get the pork chops and the potatoes back in it and see if that helps. Okay, so it's not so pretty, but it's done, and here are everybody's plates. It tastes a lot more mild now, coated in cream cheese, and that's what matters. Lulu, are you sleepy? I think Lulu's ready for bed. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to chat in the comments below, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything else, and I'll see you guys next time with another new video. Bye.